skirts.
Yes.
You have to sing it right.
Yes.
When I fall in love, it will be forever. Or I'll never, ever fall in love. Love.
Yeah. If I fall in love.
He did not stack. There was no staccato.
Ask Africa.
There was no staccato. Did you hear staccato?
The original song is not
Yeah, when you have the of in there.
See it?
The good girl version.
I was not aware there was a... Alright, I'm just going to keep...
I got bet Bella enough to pick up for me now the next argument.
Come here in our tablecloth this morning without... Anywho, that's another argument for another time. I love your skirt, Bella.
Thank you so much.
The great Ken Booth there was When I Fall in Love. More from him later. No! Speaking of Uch,
Yes.
we are playing a round of Love It or Hate It with a couple of ladies that we love. The tablecloth wearing Bella Blair and the beautiful disappearing Queen Ifrica. When I had like 10,000 fires said 7:20 in the morning. It cannot be right. Okay, that's why you're fanning.
Bandana good as and Rasta good as.
Yeah.
Rare.
And what we name? We have to be a good as too. Which we do?
Smile Jamaica good
Okay,
as.
See
like
there?
it.
Good
Yes.
as.
They are good as and Sima good as. Yes.
Ray.
Scenarios, short statements or phrases, if you wish, will pop up on the screen. We're going to use our emojis to express how we feel. Love it would be which one, ladies?
This one.
And of course, if we disapprove. Okay. All right. Miss Tam, let's go. We're ready.
Side chick idea.
The what?
The
Side chick. I freak, I love it. My belly hurt me when it hold on there. Can I have a definition of
Rough
side
love,
chick?
feathers,
if you
rough
like-
love.
If you like the idea of, you endorse the side chick idea. So,
No, sir.
so the side chick is the chick who's not the main chick who hangs out on the side but gets all the benefits.
You
Without-
guys
She
listen
get
to
benefit?
You guys listen,
Without the
listen, you guys
entitlement.
listen to the new Twins of Twins thing with the guy talking to the girl about why side chick come into
No.
play. Okay, you need to listen.
So, but you need to
Africa love
explain.
it. Africa love it.
What about
Hey.
side chick you're feeling?
Lord have
You
mercy.
have to ruffle up. Sometimes when the relationship now go on good and side chick come into play, then wife you have to buckle down and feel, make sure you know, say, yeah, something there have to save, side chick in the building.
The
yeah.
only time I would agree with that if me tired.
No, what,
need
some wife
somebody-
too comfortable, some wife too
But hold on.
So the man them a bus blank this man.
So are you saying
Some wife too
I want to say, I want to say,
it's getting warm? You know.
I want to say,
But man, those
it's
three,
funny
you don't get
how
side
the
chick because
side
the wife
chick
is not.
idea has support depending on where you're looking at it from.
Exactly.
Because if
Max.
you're the side chick, I guess
Yes,
it's
you're
okay.
gonna be like,
if you're the
oh, yeah.
wife, you're gonna say no. And if you're the man, you're not gonna say nothing. You're just gonna smile and say,
But also,
Not anyway.
Africa, your opinion is predicated on the notion that the wife is not performing. You just have some man who just cannot keep themselves to
that are
themselves.
not inspiring the
This
wife.
morning, me come figure the man them the props. You understand me? I said, check it now.
All right.
The wife them always behave like no
Well, we know what she gonna say about the next one. A man who takes care of all the bills.
Oh yeah. You know we're gonna always.
Not like that.
Me not like that neither.
You know, like, come on, we take care of all
Yes,
that.
because me would want to be fully independent because I need a man. But
You need a man?
of course, me need a man. Me's one of them, girl. Me need a man. You know, a girl got needs and things. You know what I'm saying?
So that can go through the window, could have proper.
But me no want
Find Bella and Queen
me no-
Africa.
Me no want one man to take care of all of this. Me need to.
He must at least have
my
the ability
part.
to do it then.
Yeah,
I'll
if you-
jump
yeah.
in, but he must have the ability.
You jump in
Right.
once in a while.
Yes.
I think sometimes when they take care of everything,
Yes.
they tend to want to
To
control.
control everything.
That
and
is
that's
true.
it.
That
Yes.
is
And if
Okay.
me want to put unleaded
That's true.
R18 on my car, you're not supposed to have to tell me what
Yeah,
I'm
that's
supposed to
right.
have my car.
It's 80?
True.
I
Okay.
thought there was 1987. What are you driving? The donkey what we said this morning?
Multiple.
When they take care of everything,
But
they turn
Timon,
daddy.
you don't know what kind of car me have.
You have a donkey.
Multiple body piercings and tattoos. I don't.
Yes, Bella, you
I'm
can
not-
take that
I'm-
one then.
I've got.
Here.
Wait, cameraman there. Jamaica tattoo, yes, sir. What's your answer?
Thank you.
First of all, I've seen my friend Danielle got a tattoo, and when I saw how she was, I decided that wasn't going to happen.
Bella, I've tattooed and then
I was going to put one on this finger.
One day on the next arm.
And this encouragement I got.
What do you say, Bella?
So,
A bunch of sitting
She
there.
don't know where it said that in Arabic. She don't know.
Oh yes, it says music is my life, and this
Alright.
the reason why
Darling,
this is in Persian is because a ex-boyfriend of mine.
Yes, ma'am. There you go back to the leader-man argument. Also,
To make sure when she got Trump and she wears some long sleeve, because when them see that whole and pants.
My friend-
I didn't want to get a 9 to 5, so I made sure of it.
my friend Susie pierced her nose, and when the needle went through, I literally heard pow
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
with the cartilage.
I know me, I
So,
struggle with this, nose piercing.
see there, I will keep I will
it's
keep the
pretty,
whole
you know,
stuff,
it's
the
pretty.
piercings.
The producer got fired all the way. A woman is just as equal as man in the workplace.
Oh, yes. 4 of them.
Why we have to use the word equal?
Yeah.
Better than?
All
No,
men
no,
are,
it depends
all
though.
humans are,
It's not a
are
competition. though.
equal.
Yeah, I think it depends. I think depending on the kind of work and who the
No,
man is you're
because-
working
no,
with.
because-
Sometimes you're better, sometimes they're better. I
But
don't,
yeah,
I don't
Just
know.
women
because
that can
you're
do
better,
roofing better
yeah,
than man.
it's
Roofing
true. It's true.
better than man. So,
If
you know
you're
what I
better,
mean?
it's just that you're a
Where you say
better
that?
individual at
Because
the
I
job.
know
It's not
girls who
because...
do roofing and them better than enough of the man them in the same field. And I all stop them there and tear it down and all.
You would
these
want to go
things.
and garden?
Yeah, and?
Garden.
I mean,
Chop some tree,
bush.
bush.
Yeah, man. We will climb tree, chop it down, farm, all of that. Me think, yeah. Anything the man can do, we can do it.
All right.
Shaving
Shaving
the
the legs just to fit in.
Wait, what?
Shaving the legs just to fit in. I think that's people's personal choice.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah,
I mean,
Shave
yeah.
your leg because you don't want to be a tree.
Right.
I wish I had.
Or you
No, but
don't like
there's
how
some
it look
people- I
or
don't
suit you
No, but there's some
personally.
people who like to have hairy skin.
Yeah, but
I
you
wish
don't-
I had
you
hairy
don't
skin.
look
No,
To be honest.
but it's their choice.
No,
though.
but
I'm not
but
tell them
When you
to
have
do
to
it just
shave and erase a bucket.
Okay, shaving the legs is one thing, ladies and gentlemen. If you have a forest growing from under your arm, that is a problem.
Well, yeah.
So, legs
Because
may be
it-
optional.
I have a
but
sister
if
who have a very clean forest under fair arm doing a Simone. Like, seriously.
like
fair
pruned?
forest. So out here, so nice. And you know, you have men who love that though.
out there,
Yes.
and she wears
And she wears
sleeveless.
sleeveless. I'm like, girl.
Every time I
love
freak
you
and
and
start
everything.
a-
Oh, the man must get up their face for like a line.
Hold on. Every time I freak out,
What kind of man is that?
Next.
I don't know about that. What about
Actually, you do have men.
What
about
that
chest?
love-
What about chest?
No, we have to
no
continue.
chest.
A husband or a boyfriend who calls you every minute of the day.
no gracias?
Number 8, it's hard being a woman.
It is.
No, sir.
It is. Trust me, the things that we have to deal with.
True. Well,
It hard, man. It hard.
certain aspects.
Man,
Yeah,
it's hard.
woman have to suck in them
Bella,
belly, man
Bella,
have
you want to
suck
talk
in them
about
belly.
it? Bella, you want to talk?
True.
No, just the way how our bodies are made up for
You
one.
have to suck in the belly, man.
You
Not suck in
it's
the belly.
just it's hard.
That's hard.
The things that we have to deal
Look at
with.
Marvin. Marvin not sucking in the belly.
So Marvin cannot suck in his belly. How is that going to happen?
I mean, Marvin don't.
A boyfriend or husband who plays video games.
That's cool.
Within
Within
reason.
reason.
Within reason.
If it's not taking over,
It is
Sitting
an addiction.
All
then
day.
no,
Something wrong.
Okay.
A celebrity boyfriend, husband. If Denzel want married to me, I'm married to him.
Diaries.
You know, can't go on.
Diaries.
Anything you don't want to say.
Some people going to get up, some people going to get in trouble when they leave her. But I don't going to, yeah.
When the man pump out Omari, Hardwick,
Okay, yeah, Omar.
Terrence
Oh,
Howard.
You don't have
the house I got full.
this is
Any
a
local
hard
fan
up.
out there?
Any local people?
Yeah, you don't have any local crush? Celebrity? They're going to
Conscience,
Sasko.
Being a Man, Tony Rebel,
Okay, tap now. Tap.
Sasko.
Bella. All right, tap now.
The house I got full.
Yeah.
You know, say Simone, you have to skip me. Skip me. Skip me, please. Skip me, please.
Why am I skipping you? There's a story here. What's the story?
Well, let's just say I'm a Sean Paul fan, but the crush
Okay.
thing, me not. Skip me.
All right, I'm going to skip you. Call Jinx.
That sound like somebody black harp on Instagram.
Yeah. Okay. So all in all then, I think we're pretty normal women.
All is
Yeah.
yeah? Africa?
Come on, no. Come on.
When this make you feel like the...
Yeah, are you clapping already?
Yeah.
News. Where's the news? Let's get away from this madness.
Lord,
Sanity, please. Come, Nadine. Save the day.
Show me a sofa now. Show me a sofa. Show me a sofa. Well, I can't find a sofa.
We through. You can take it. You see, they're still here at 7:29.
Why is it a
Our Christopher
sofa?
Morris did.
Chris too short though.
What him body turn up?
Something.